Hi guys. And rain. Quite big, I guess, this time. I can get some of that dark in to mingle a bit. I need to get completely happy with the colour I want. Yeah, I want this colour in there. What colour did I use? Was it this one? I think. And it was the other one as well, which was... Ooh, where is it, that one? Was it? Yeah, that's the one. I want that to go in as well. Just bring that round a minute. Just in there. Just did. Didn't really pick it up very well, but I think that'll be okay like that. It's just a bit thicker, so I'm gonna... Oh, that's okay. It's a brush one, so I've got to be careful. I want a bigger eye this side. Oh God. Right. Okay. Let me do that. That's picking that up. I have to go over a couple of times, I think. Doesn't matter if it goes over, but it's supposed to be waterproof, but it's not. Maybe because it ain't dried enough. And then we'll have a bit of... Where's the red? Ready orange I'm making, or trying to make. Just a little. Right, okay, let's have a look at that. It will do. It's got some... I may do that in a acrylic marker after, depending on how it looks. Now, I've got to get a nose. Nice long beak like that. Bit of that. And where's that stone type of colour? I've got my palette round the wrong way, you see, so it doesn't look... with the other. That's a new term for it. Ping out a bit. Don't know what the real term of it is. It's not going to do it, is it? Unless I add 1 drop of water. And then it may do it. I don't know. Doesn't look like it will. Right, where's this? I need a bit of this bright colour here. But I'm going to need a smaller brush. Smaller than that one. I ain't picking anything up. God, now it's merging. Just wanted it bright on the outside. I'm going to do the legs first. I'm going to do bones for legs. That's what I'm going to do. You can have some bones. Bones for legs. As you guess now, this is going to be a zombie bird, and Susan Tootsie Tucker has done a Halloween, and I wanted to do an Halloween. I was planning it actually. But I see she had done a witch yesterday and I loved it. I thought it was so great. And I thought I'd just do something Halloween. That's supposed to be connected to that, but it isn't. Oh dear. That looks all wrong. Never mind. It doesn't matter. Now, I don't know what to do. How about, we can do some sort of fleshy, hanging flesh or bat wings. Right, where is that? There. Bat wings, I think. Here we go again. Every time the doorbell goes. Right, okay. So we're going to do some wings, I think. I was going to do like pieces of flesh on him. But we're going to do like, they're going to be like, I don't know, like bat wings or something like that. Up there. Okay, it's pulling all down here. I'm going to pick some of it up. Because it's becoming a mess now. Right, okay. I wanted a bit of black in there as well. Maybe a little bit in there just to create a shadow where his wing joins, I don't know. It's supposed to be eerie looking, but so far he's sort of cute. Try and see if I can pull that down. Right, hang on a minute. Trying to get the colours to... Right, that's fine actually. Can have big eyebrows. Like that. And I'm going to have some dotties all over there like that. So he appears like he's, you know, not young, maybe, I don't know, bit of work. Bags. I wanted him scary looking, but he's not scary, is he? Not scary enough. We'll let them bits dry out for now. Let's concentrate on these feet, but they're not even joint. We'll come like that, go up like that, okay, and then round. Let me do it from this side because that brim needs to be out a bit, and then like that, and then right, okay, and now colour. Like that. It is darker, by the way. And then a bit of this creamy colour. My dog's snoring to my side, by the way. I want it to mingle in. Let me try that again. Don't think this is going to work out. Could have done it with pencil better, really. A white pencil. That's okay. Could do with a bit more. Try it again. Still not doing it, is that? I'm going to do it once more. That's better. Might do that just under the eye. It's too wet there now. How about if I take in a bit of this? That's not going to dry nice, is that? I'll have to come down with that colour. It's not what I wanted to do, but, yeah. I'll have to go with it, I guess. Like that. bit of, you know what I need? A little bit of red. Just a touch. But I need to get rid of a lot of the water on it. Don't think I can do this with this brush. Maybe I need the water on it. Okay, spooky eyes. And a little bit of that at the top. We could have done a ribbon on the I'm going to do it here. I'm going to have a little bit of fun. Some bloody bits sticking out. Some blood everywhere. Like you do, you know. Well, it's a Halloween type of thing. We could get really gross and put some pus on it. Maybe we will. I've got some yellow left here. Look, it's all pussy. Well, he is a zombie, and zombies do have pussy, don't they? They get a bit pussy. Hang on, a bit white. Oh God, it's oozing. Look. Now you can't see that it's stitches. How about if we drip it down a bit? Will it drip? It's not going anywhere. A band on the hat. Probably will need another colour. Yeah, it will need a different colour over it. Probably like this bronze I've got here, which will probably be better for it. So I've actually been good at and cleaned my paint palette, all the paints where I used all the spare little pieces of paint up, some card that I'm going to make some fodder of, rather than just wipe it all off and bin it all. And now I've got a clean palette now. That's okay. I've got a little bit of bronze left on here. Really like that bronze on there actually. There's that. This poor bird's been through enough. He's been through enough, hasn't he? I'm wondering if that's dry yet. Well, I'm going to test it because I want to get this done. Just to give off a little bit of wash on the bottom. Like that. Shame it went on to the other page. Like that. And roughly around here. I'm just going to fill this in while I can. Just around there. And let's just fill that in. So we've got some mountains going on in the background. I don't know how to do mountains and all that, and I don't know why he's around mountains, to be honest. He's a zombie. But I suppose we've segregated him from the world, so he doesn't go around eating people. There we go. There's his story now. That is his story. He can't go around hurting anyone because he can't get to anyone because he's on his own. The only thing he can eat is animals. Not having nothing else. I'm going to just bring in a touch of colour here, there and everywhere. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. There we go. Right, I'm just building up a background a little bit anyway. My water's getting pretty murky here. I like colour. I like a lot of colour things. I burnt this paintbrush. I've actually burnt it because I thought I'd stuck it in the water, but it was on the opposite side, and I actually put it into the candle. Well, the candle I'd burning. I'm an absolute disaster with bloody paintbrushes. Oh, if you've followed my channel, then you'll know what a disaster I've had a time and a half with paintbrushes. I mean, if any company wants to reach out, I'll test your brushes. I'm very hard with brushes as well. But, yeah. I think, shall we do a desert so he's not on grass? So we're going to need a bit of like a sandy colour, I guess. Try and mute it down a bit, the colour, though it's looking the same as that colour on the background. I'll tell you what, I'll put a bit of gold in it, iridescent. And then that may break it up, bit of dark in there. Now it's going too dark. I did a touch of black for some reason, don't know why. Add some more water. And then we'll just go in with that colour as the background, which I should have used the smaller brush for all this smaller detail, but I don't want to be doing this all day. It's fun, great fun, but it's taken me time today to do this one. golden sand. There, now you're in that area and now you can't get to anyone and eat them. You have to be a good little zombie. I don't know what his name's gonna be neither. I need a name for this, guys. So if you leave me a name in the comments, okay, what can I do for you? Let me think. Leave me a name for this little guy in the comments. I'll rename him. If I like the name, I'll pick a winner. And I'll give you a shout out as well. Whether it be on YouTube or Instagram. You decide where you'd like your shout out. Okay? You won't know this unless you've watched this video properly. Anyway, so I want a bit darker green. Dark green. Let's put a bit of that one in it. I don't want it too wet. I know what I want. And I want to come just, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. I'm going to smudge it in because I know how I wanted it and I don't want it too dark. It's sort of how I wanted it, but not exactly. Right, okay, I think that will do. My water's all murky now. And let me know what you think of him. There, done. Lovely. Love him. I think you could do with a bit of shadowing, you know, around. Oh, never mind. He's alright as he is. Okay, guys. Catch you later. Bye.